Hey, Jordan here, and welcome back to another video. I'm so glad you're here today. We are taking pictures of flowers in 120 seconds. If we can. I'm not sure. I don't know if we can do it, but we're gonna give it a shot. We're literally going to give it a shot. The flowers we're shooting today are from He Loves Me Flowers by Charity. I asked her to create these and she outdid herself. Look at these. She actually has a channel here on YouTube, so I'll link that down below in the description and you should definitely check it out. I'll be using my phone as a timer, and then I'm shooting with the Canon 5D Mark III and the 50mm lens. Setting the timer for 2 minutes. Okay, and we're going. Gonna take a horizontal and a vertical from back here. A couple more as I move in on this white flower, focusing on this front white flower, and then recomposing and rotating my focus back. Good. And shooting through the foreground here to get the sunflower. Good, rotating around this purple flower to find the composition. Gonna get some of the detailing here on this giant purple flower. Gonna shift my settings to 2.0, actually 1.8 on the aperture. Shooting this tulip back here. And adjusting my ISO. Good, gonna shoot this little white guy in the front and the sunflower one more time. Good, getting this little white tulip and shooting from the side over here. Shooting close to the table so I can get a lot of movement in the foreground. Good. Rotating around this little greenery piece to get the composition we want. And then I'm gonna photograph this little sunflower in the back, kind of the way that she has it styled, so it's cut off. Good. Good, and now it's just X shots, just different creative shots as I have the overall okay. And time's up. Some of my favorite things while I'm shooting, walking things in focus, shooting around things, like moving around them, rotating around them, and what's the other one I was gonna say? And continuing to look through my viewfinder so that I'm never, the only time I'm really taking a step back and not looking through my camera is at the beginning or when I'm hitting reset, but just staying in the camera, keeping my line of sight through the camera and photographing, new unexpected angles that I wouldn't have seen if I hadn't had the camera right in front of my face. So I brought these 2 cardigans and put the pattern on the bottom with this solid pattern on the top to split it up. And I really think that's gonna look good and clean with the white background. After I get the big main shots, I'll switch that aperture down to 1.8 or 2.0. Some of my favorites to shoot with florals like this. Before I start shooting, I always walk around to the side, make sure I'm photographing the front, which I know this is the front because Charity told me, but just saying. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you want. My videos have been called awful and the worst, so you are in for a treat if you hit subscribe. But really, subscribe for more videos just like this. And I will see you next time. Cheer you on. Doing this intermittent fasting thing and can't break it yet, so kombucha. I've had a bunch of these. I've only liked the lavender one so far. Some of them are downright disgusting. Hopefully this one is not. I sincerely hope this is not disgusting. It's actually good. Wow, okay, so lavender melon and pineapple peach. We can go with that.